So these nightstands that you're looking at, really, they look like nightstands, but they're not. They're from the table that was in my office before. So I wanted to throw away the table, but my husband suggested that I should use the table again, just strip the paint off, sand it down, paint it, and put it back in the office. Paint it with the same color, the ink black, and put it back in the office, which is a good thing because this table is really well built. But the problem is that this table is really long for what I have allocated for a desk in the office. The desktop that I have right now in the office is about 60 inches long, and this is 72 inches. So it's about 12 inches longer than what I needed. So what I did, as you can see, I took out the desktop of this table, the top of the table, and then which left me with these two stands. What I'm gonna do is just strip it off, clean it off really good, strip all the paint off, sand it down. It's a long process to bring this back to life. Sand it down, prime it, paint it, and seal it, and I'll move it. So I'm not gonna bore you with this long process to bring this back to how I want it, or bring it back to life, or whatever. I'm not gonna bore you with that. If you wanna see how I paint furniture or bring back old furniture to life, you can check one of my dresser makeover videos. If you also wanna see how I strip paint out of furniture, you can also check my video where I recover those emerald green chairs. I strip all the paint off and bring the wood color back to life. So, which is really beautiful. You guys want to go ahead and look at it. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna bore you with all this. I'm gonna strip all this paint and then paint it, and I'll move it to the office, and I'll bring you guys back and show you how this table looks like. Okay? All right, I'll see you all later. My lovelies, this is what the desk is looking like. As you can see, this is so beautiful. I really love the desktop. The wood tone really blended really well with the ink black color and the gold draw pulls. Really, this area looks so beautiful. As you can see, I just brought in one of the cabinet because when I installed the other one over there was not much leg room, and I needed enough leg room to work in here. I'll be sitting there making clothes and also using my computer, editing my videos, or doing some of my Cricut projects. And also someone wants to hijack this office because he said it looks beautiful, and he wants to come in here and be playing his music here with his piano, just be on his own sometimes, which is beautiful. The office looks so good, really. It is so relaxing. The colors make you feel relaxed in this room. I really love it. Let me give you a sneak peek of the shiplap wall. I will share with you guys how I installed this shiplap wall. The office is done. The cabinet building is done. So I will share with you guys next week with that video, show you how the cabinet turned out, the built-in office cabinet turned out. As of now, I'm just showing you this beautiful desk that I just built for this office. What do you all think? Leave a comment down below and let your girl know how she did. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dixie. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so when I post a new video, you will be notified. And please help me share this video with your family and friends. And to all my beautiful subscribers, thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family. I really appreciate you all. Please help me share this video with your family and friends so a lot of people can get to enjoy and watch my projects, and also subscribe so my videos can reach a lot of people, just inspire them to get to do things on their own, DIYs in their homes and all that. Like I said, thank you so much for coming by. This is your girl Dixie saying bye till next time.